Hello everyone, welcome to CH4S. Today we will be learning Stork Enamine reaction. So first of all, what is this enamine? En plus amine. That is double bond and an amine present in a compound is called as enamine. Now this enamine is of three types: primary enamine, secondary enamine and tertiary enamine. In primary enamine, nitrogen is attached to one alkyl group. In secondary enamine, nitrogen is attached to two alkyl groups. In tertiary enamine, nitrogen is attached to three alkyl groups. Now we will see the preparation as well as mechanism of enamine. In preparation, we will be taking carbonyl compound reacting with amine, which gives us enamine. This carbonyl compound should contain at least one alpha hydrogen. This amine which we take here can be primary amine as well as secondary amine. But secondary amine will give us more stable products when compared to the primary amine. Hence we will be taking secondary amine in our mechanism. Now this enamine can give us carbonyl compound as well as amine. Hence this reaction is a reversible reaction. Now we will see the mechanism. First we will take carbonyl compound which is reacting with one acidic hydrogen. The oxygen carbonyl compound will share its lone pair of electrons with its positively charged hydrogen, giving us a structure like this, where oxygen will be getting a positive charge as it is forming three bonds. Now this oxygen will take the bond from carbon atom, leaving this carbon positively charged. Now this carbocation will react with secondary amine, where nitrogen will share its lone pair of electrons with its positively charged carbon, forming a bond between them and will give us a structure like this. Now as nitrogen is forming four bonds, it is getting a positive charge and it will take the bond from hydrogen atom, leaving this hydrogen as H+. Now the oxygen in this compound will share its lone pair of electrons with the positively charged hydrogen, giving us a structure like this. Now as oxygen is forming three bonds, it is getting a positive charge, hence it will take the bond from carbon atom and will leave as water molecule, and this carbon atom will be getting a positive charge on it. Now the bond between alpha carbon and alpha hydrogen is shifted here, forming a double bond between these two carbon atoms, and it will give us enamine. Now we will be seeing the Stork enamine reaction. What is Stork enamine reaction? Electrophile will attack the nucleophilic center in enamine. This reaction is called as Stork enamine reaction. So in enamine we have two nucleophilic centers. One is nitrogen, which acts as nucleophilic center because it is carrying lone pair of electrons. This lone pair of electrons, when it is shifted here, the bond between these two carbon atoms is taken by this carbon, leaving this carbon negatively charged. Now this negatively charged carbon will also act as a nucleophilic center. Now the compound where carbon acts as nucleophilic center is useful for organic synthesis. Hence, in this Stork enamine mechanism, we will be taking this compound which reacts with methyl iodide. In this methyl iodide, methyl group will act as an electrophile which will attack the nucleophilic center in enamine, forming a CC bond and will give us a structure like this. Now here, nitrogen is forming four bonds. So it is carrying a positive charge. This positively charged nitrogen will take the bond from carbon, leaving this carbon positively charged. Now this carbocation will undergo hydrolysis, where OH- will attack the positively charged carbon, forming a structure like this. Now in this structure, as nitrogen is more electronegative, it will take the bond from carbon. Carbon will be positively charged. The bond between oxygen and hydrogen is shifted here. Hydrogen leaves as H+. And a double bond is formed between carbon and oxygen, giving us a ketone compound. Now this R2N- and H+ will come out as amine. This is the byproduct and this is the final product. Enamine is giving us ketone as well as amine when it reacts with methyl iodide and even undergoes hydrolysis later. So this complete reaction is called as Stork enamine reaction. So in today's video, we have learned the preparation of enamine, its mechanism, as well as the mechanism of Stork enamine reaction. For more such videos, Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.